Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential accessories for anyone who owns an external hard drive, the Amazon Basics External Hard Drive Portable Carrying Case. Let me start off by saying, if you're in the market for the best hard disk cover available, look no further. The Amazon Basics External Hard Drive Portable Carrying Case is an absolute game-changer when it comes to protecting and transporting your valuable data. Let's talk about why this case stands out from the rest. First off, its compact design is perfect for storing or transporting medium to larger portable hard drives. The slimline construction allows it to easily fit into any backpack or briefcase, making it ideal for both everyday use and travel. But it's not just about convenience, this case is built for maximum protection. The hard shell exterior provides excellent defense against bumps, scratches, and minor impacts, while the soft interior lining ensures your hard drive stays secure and free from damage during transportation. Inside, you'll find an elastic strap and zippered closure that keeps your portable hard drive securely in place, eliminating any risk of it moving around and getting damaged. Plus, there's an internal mesh pocket that conveniently stores power cords or other accessories, keeping everything neatly organized. Now, let's hear what customers have to say about this fantastic product. With over 78,000 ratings and an impressive 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's clear that users are thrilled with the protection, value, and convenience that this case provides. One satisfied customer describes it as a practical and reliable solution, highlighting its durability and compact size. Another user praises its affordability, robustness, and ability to keep their hard drive safe from everyday wear and tear. And it's not just customers in the US who love this product. Reviews from around the world echo the same sentiments, with users in Mexico, Canada, Italy, and Germany all praising its quality, practicality, and excellent value for money. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best hard disk cover on the market, you can't go wrong with the Amazon Basics External Hard Drive Portable Carrying Case. Its durable construction, compact design, and unbeatable protection make it a must-have accessory for anyone who wants to keep their valuable data safe and secure. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.